Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is geometry, and before starting I would like to tell you that I am assuming that you all have the basic idea of geometry and you have no issues in identifying various shapes such as circle, triangle, lines, etc. So we are going to start with lines, and we will start with basic three types of lines. First one is parallel lines, second one is intersecting lines, and then the transversal lines. So let's start with the parallel lines. So let's say there is a line AB like this. I'll name it AB. And then there is another line which is CD like this. And let's say we select 2 points on AB. So let's say first point is this one and then the second point is this one. And when we drop a perpendicular from these 2 points like this. So perpendicular is basically a 90-degree angle which makes 90-degree angle. So let's say it makes 90-degree angle over here, and similar way we drop another perpendicular line perpendicular from AB on CD, and if the length of these two perpendiculars if the length of these two perpendiculars are same, then we can say that AB is parallel to CD. So basically it means that when we have two lines which have the same distance across all the points, we can call them parallel lines. So when this distance perpendicular distance changes as we select different points on a line, then what does happen in that case? So that is basically intersecting lines. I'll show you. So let's say there is another line CD. Now this time I'll be changing a bit the length. So let's say the second line is CD and this is the second line. Okay, and let's and the similar way we are gonna take 2 points. One is this one, and now this time the second point is the second point. This is the first point and this is the second point. And if we drop a perpendicular from these 2 points on CD, so as you can see, the length of second perpendicular is greater than the first perpendicular. That simply means that these two lines are not parallel, and in fact they are intersecting lines, which is a second type of lines. So these are intersecting lines. How? I'll show you. Because if you extend these two lines like this, if I extend these two lines, then they are gonna intersect somewhere here, and that's why they are called intersecting lines. So lines which share a common point, so this is the common point. So lines which share a common point are called intersecting lines. Now the third type of line is transversal line. So I'll first tell you the definition and then we'll understand what uh, a transversal line means. So a line which intersect two or more parallel lines in distinct points is called a transversal line. So I'll explain you what I'll show you with the help of a diagram. So let's say there is a line, there are two parallel line AB, and then there is another parallel line CD.